Welcome to another YouTube video, guys. So on today's video, we are actually going to be working on the interior of Mr. Thickscat. So let me show you guys. I do have this overlay of dipped carbon fiber, but as you can tell, it is not real. It is just dipped, so there's no shine to it. But that's going to be this whole piece around. So we're going to be actually swapping that out with some real carbon fiber from Dyna Performance. Shout out to those guys. They're sponsoring this video. So first and foremost, we have to get rid of this fake old piece. So first we're going to remove this little controller and then vice versa. So let's get that started. As you guys can see, this is just being held by 3mm tape. Who knows, maybe I'll be giving this away to one of you guys. This piece will be missed. Definitely a good piece. I won't lie to you guys. Wow, it looks so naked now. Well, there you guys have it. There's the first piece. I just took off the last piece to the dash. Let me show you. So as you can see, it was this color, just like that. And now it is back to its original form. Stock, baby. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, I do have the box right here. I am going to be opening it up to show you guys the new carbon fiber. Let's get to it. There you have it, guys. There is the new carbon fiber. Obviously, once I take off this plastic wrap, it will look a lot better. So as you can see, we are in the car. I just finished up cleaning this whole dash part right here. Now we are about to install this bad boy here. So as you guys can see, that is a full kit, which is going to be going obviously all around here. But if you look at it in the sun, baby, vámonos, no manches. I like that. It looks so good. So let's get this thing installed. So what I love about this actually is it's as simple as double-sided tape. So you're just going to remove all the pieces, line it up, and then bop-a-rooney, get it on there. So as you guys can see, we have the first piece on. There we go. This next piece is actually going to be the one that goes right about here. So let's get that one on. So as you guys can see, this is the piece. Obviously, it's honeycomb carbon fiber. And then this is the back. So we're just going to stick it on. So there is that piece right there. There you go. Now focused. It does look very nice. I do love the honeycomb look. All right, so I did this side right here. Now it is time to do, the other side, baby. So let's get it on. So as I mentioned before, what I love about these is you simply just peel back the little red adhesive. All right, there you guys go. There's piece number 1, piece number 2, piece number 3, and then we're gonna do piece number 4, which is gonna cover from there all the way around. So let's get to that one. I would suggest doing this with somebody, especially this big old a la U right here. This is a big boy piece. You know, obviously you want to get it as aligned as possible, but in this case we're gonna do a one-man army, baby. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so there is the finished product. Honestly, I think it came out cool, came out very clean. Does look a lot better than the original. As you can tell, if you compare, say, this carbon fiber to the fake one, you can definitely, I'd say, tell which is the real one. So again, guys, there it is. Very big difference from the fake carbon fiber. Guys, welcome back. So I finally got the second package for the Dyna Performance package. And so today I'm going to be doing this part right here and this part. So as you can see, we have the Dyna Performance honeycomb carbon fiber all around, but you can clearly tell that these pieces, as well as the shift knob, which is coming another day, are fake. So we're going to be taking off these pieces, and then we're going to be swapping them out. Ready? There you go, guys. So now I'm going to show you guys me putting on the new carbon fiber.